In today's video, I'll show you black screen fix for Hogwarts Legacy on PC. Follow these steps and get back into the game fast. All you have to do is press on keyboard Windows key and R key together and type percentage local app data percentage again and click on OK. Find a Hogwarts Legacy folder, double click on it and double click on saved config Windows no editor. Right click on the game user settings and select edit in Notepad. Scroll down to the bottom. Check my video description for this text. Just copy the text and go back to game user settings. Just press enter one time and paste the text we copied and select the file and select save option and the settings will be saved. Just close off here. Right click on the game user settings and select properties. Check mark this read only option and select apply and OK. And then just close off here and launch the game. This worked for lots of people on Reddit, guys. As you can see, I will show you. As you can see, screen fixed for lots of people right over here. I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you. Once the black screen problem fixed, navigate to this location and right click on the game user settings and select properties. Uncheck this read only option and select apply and OK. And you're good to go, guys.